Hello mga ka-tester. Today we have another video to share to you. Okay, this one is a review of Fire Stick TV 4K. Okay, it's like a review on how to use it. Okay, the best feature of this one here is like a lot. It's amazing Fire Stick. Like Android device, yes, it's okay, but this one is like better because the best thing in here, there's Alexa voice remote. Okay, first thing we're going to do the speed test. How much speed I'm getting in this device, if it's good or not. Okay, we try this one here. This one I'm going to try my 2.4 gigahertz speed. Okay, that's my 2.4 gigahertz speed. It's not bad. I have 52 download. Okay, that's my thing in there. Okay, we're going to change it on 5G. Okay, it's okay. The only thing is the Wi-Fi quality, it's not good. It's only 52, but I can get up to 8K Wi-Fi strength because the best thing in here is like if you have at least 25, you're good to watch 4K and good video quality. Okay, we're going to change it on 5G. Okay, now we're on 5G. Now we check our 5G connection. Here we go, all check now. It's 5G. I have it's going to 276 download. Okay, that's my thing on my 5G. It's a good one. Okay, this one doesn't have the direct line. You can put it if you want. You just have to buy your hub and connect it to your Fire Stick. Okay, and we try some. Okay, the features, that the good thing in here. Okay, the voice remote. This is the cool thing of this one here. Okay, there's a voice remote in here. You're just gonna press the mic on the remote and you talk whatever you want to watch it, like this one here. Action movies. That's it. It's come out. All the action movies available in your thing that you can watch, and you're good. Filipino movies. All my Filipino movies is right there. You just press the mic and talk, and all your things is coming out there, the available that you can watch. Comedy movies. That's it. Just talk it and everything is there. And you can watch everything that you want. Just select it If you have a subscription for live TVs, just stock it. Right now I don't have live TVs in here. Okay, we're going to try it. Live TV. That's my TV there, but I don't have live TVs yet. That's why, because I didn't connect my live TV here yet. Okay, we're going to check the picture quality of the things. How good is this one? I tried before. It's only up to 4K that I can get it. Okay, we'll do some 4K videos. Check thing. Okay, this one here, we try it. Press quality, video. Right now it's on only 854 by 48, means 480. We're going to put it on 4K. Yes, 4K. 30 frames per second. See, there's the thing already. 4K, 30 frames per second. It's nice quality. Okay, we try something else. We look for 60 frame. HD, it's only HD, 30 frames. We're gonna look for 4K. Yeah. Okay, 60 frames. Sixty frames per second. (4K 60 frame, BP9). A nice picture quality, but the down thing in here, I think the HDR cannot handle HDR. Quality, video, and we put here HDR. That's it. HDR is like that. I don't know, I'm gonna try soon how to fix these things, but that's the HDR coming out. I didn't test this box too long yet because I just got it. This Fire Stick, not a box. Even though if I put it down on this is the 2K, 3K I think. HDR. It's the same thing. HDR is like this one. we check on this is 8K. I don't think I can handle 8K. I think I try 6K, even though 6K he cannot handle 6K. See, cannot handle it. It's only up to 4K, but 60 frames per second he can get it. See, 60 frame 4K, this one here. It's a nice picture quality. And you can ask to turn off the TV too and to turn it on. If you're lazy to get up in your couch, you can just talk to your remote. Turn off TV.
Okay.
Turn up your TV. Turn on TV. Okay, if you're lazy, just like, you know, that's the picture of this thing. It's a nice thing to have it, because to search for your movies and TV shows, you just talk to your remote. But some boxes right now too, it's like they're coming like there's a remote voice recognition. That's the thing in there. What else to check in here? Like if you don't have like Swift Streams working in here, Swift Stream is working good in this box. The only thing is you have to download this thing 100%. Like even though in your tricks, you have to download this one here to work it. But to get this one here, you have to have Play Store. That's the thing. You cannot get this one here if you don't have Play Store. You have to get Play Store. There you go. You have to get Play Store to get this one work. That tricks, this one here, and this one here. You have to have this if you want to watch your Filipino channels. Even though I think the English channels, all channels on tricks and Swift Stream, you have to have VPN. And the thing that new came out on live net TV, the free ads, I just read the pop-up that they getting your data of your IP address. You have to have VPN if you're using this one here. They're collecting your data. Once you open this one, they're getting your things. You have to have VPN for this one. It's not like the other one, the Airy TV. That's the good thing too. The Airy TV that I suggested. If you want some live TV, Airy TV is a good alternative things to have. Did I have? I don't know. I didn't install my Airy TV yet. But you have to have Airy TV if you want to take. That one is a legal things that you can have it. Tubi TV is a good too. You can download your Tubi TV in your things, and then all the Tubi TV's movies, is when you call it, it's gonna pop out in your things. Okay. Anything else that you want me to do in this FireTv? I'm going to check that HDR later how to fix that one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much and have a nice day. This is the FireTv Stick 4K. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.